A lunchbox can look great and still leave you with crushed sandwiches, leaking ice, or food that warms up far too early. The right insulated lunchbox avoids all three without becoming a chore to carry. Cool product is narrowing down 5 standout options, and the differences get bigger than you might expect. Stay with this comparison and you'll know which design actually fits your routine. If your lunch routine is more grab and go than all-day meal prep, the Hydro Flask takes a refreshingly simple approach. This 5-liter Sandpiper lunch bag uses lightweight insulation designed to keep sandwiches, snacks, bento boxes, and other everyday food fresh when paired with an ice pack. Its soft exterior keeps the bag comfortable and easy to handle, while 100% recycled polyester 600D main body fabric gives it a more durable foundation. That exterior is both water-resistant and abrasion-resistant, which makes sense for commuting and regular daily use. Inside, welded seams create a leak-proof, fully lined compartment that wipes clean easily. Better still, the top opens completely, so loading containers and reaching the corners during cleanup is far less frustrating. Its biggest strength is simplicity. The compact 5-liter format avoids unnecessary bulk while still giving a typical lunch enough usable room. The durable exterior and wipe-clean, welded interior also make daily maintenance pleasantly straightforward. The trade-off is capacity. Anyone carrying multiple meal prep containers or several drinks may quickly outgrow it. And because keeping food fresh is designed around using an ice pack, it makes the most sense for users who already plan their packing around one. For everyday lunches, though, it's clean, portable, and thoughtfully designed. Long workdays demand a very different kind of lunch bag, and that's where the Joingo starts making a stronger case. Its expandable double-deck layout moves from 12 to 16 liters, giving you separate areas for heavier drinks and more delicate food that you don't want crushed. Thermal protection combines a water-resistant 600D Oxford fabric shell, 6mm pearl foam, and an insulated liner, with temperature retention rated for up to 12 hours. The heat-pressed PEVA interior forms a seamless, leak-proof barrier and can handle loose ice, while reinforced stitching and middle zippers target demanding work environments. Carry it by the padded top handle or detachable shoulder strap, then use the front zippered compartment and 2 side mesh pockets to keep smaller essentials accessible instead of buried underneath lunch. That 12-hour temperature retention frame and expandable 16-liter maximum capacity make Joingo particularly compelling for long shifts, job sites, road trips, and anyone carrying more than one meal. Separating cans from softer food is another genuinely useful touch, but this rugged, high-capacity format can be more bag than a light office lunch requires, especially once fully loaded. The tactical work-focused styling also won't suit every setting. Still, the leak-proof heat press liner, multiple carry options, storage pockets, and durable construction give it excellent utility when capacity matters. For anyone who likes rugged gear but wants more control over how food is organized, the Hshrish pushes the formula in a useful direction. Its dual insulated compartments provide 12 liters of normal capacity, while the expandable upper section adds another 4 liters for a 15-liter maximum configuration. The bag is rated to hold 24 350-milliliter soda cans and support up to 10 kilograms. A 900D Oxford fabric exterior adds water and wear resistance, backed by sturdy stitching for work and outdoor environments. Inside, 6mm insulation foam and a food-grade aluminum liner are designed to keep contents hot or cold for up to 8 hours. A detachable shoulder strap extending to 55 inches joins the grab handle for flexible carrying, while the tactical patch area lets you personalize the look. Hshrish stands out for combining serious capacity with compartment separation, making it easy to keep dry or delicate items away from wetter contents. The 900D Oxford fabric and substantial carrying rating also suit tougher daily routines. That ruggedness comes with a practical compromise. A 15-liter expandable lunchbox can feel excessive when all you're carrying is one container and a snack. Its tactical appearance is also more functional than subtle. Even so, 3 carrying configurations, expandable storage, 8-hour insulation, and a 12-month guarantee create an appealing balance for workers and travelers. Once crushed food becomes the problem you absolutely want to eliminate, Miycoo's 2-layer setup starts looking especially smart. The bag measures 10.1 by 7.7 by 9.1 inches, expanding to 10.3 inches tall, and its separate upper and lower areas let you organize drinks, sandwiches, fruit, snacks, and containers without simply stacking everything together. A smooth PEVA liner uses a seamless construction intended to prevent leakage, while thermal insulation can keep contents warm or cold. Add ice directly when cold storage matters, with temperature and freshness rated for at least 7 hours. Club Up is equally practical because the interior wipes down easily, even after carrying used tableware. Its flexible design works beyond the office too, moving comfortably between picnics, beach days, lunches, and casual outings. The strongest reason to choose Miycoo is its everyday versatility. Double-layer organization solves a real packing problem, while the expandable design provides extra room without turning the bag into an oversized work cooler. At least 7 hours of cold storage with ice also covers many work days and outings. The compromise is that its softer, casual positioning may be less appealing to buyers specifically seeking the heavier-duty construction of a tactical bag. Still, the seamless PEVA liner, easy clean interior, flexible storage, and broad range of uses make this one especially easy to fit into normal routines. Then there's the option that strips away complexity without sacrificing the features most people actually use. Lifewit's 9-liter bag measures 10 by 6.7 by 8 inches and can hold up to 12 330-milliliter cans, leaving useful space for sandwiches, salads, fruit, snacks, or a normal lunch container. Its food-grade PEVA foil lining works with 6mm EPE foam to keep food and drinks cool or warm for more than 5 hours while cushioning containers. Outside, 600D water-resistant and dirt-resistant Oxford fabric is built for regular use. The wide lid and strong two-way zippers let containers go straight in and out vertically, reducing the chance of tipping them during packing. Tough handles, a shoulder strap, plus front and side pockets round out a layout that feels purpose-built for work, picnics, beaches, and short trips. Lifewit's advantage is balance. 9 liters is spacious enough for a substantial everyday lunch without committing you to the footprint of a 15 or 16-liter bag, and the wide opening makes that space easier to use. Its leak-proof interior, external pockets, and 2 carrying options strengthen the practical side further. More than 5 hours of insulation, however, trails the longer quoted retention periods of Joingo and Miycoo, so extended shifts may call for a different choice. For ordinary workdays and outings, its straightforward layout and manageable capacity remain strong reasons it rises to the top here. For the most well-rounded choice, the Miycoo Insulated Lunch Box gets the recommendation. Its double-layer layout protects softer food, the expandable design adds flexibility, and at least 7 hours of temperature retention with ice suits a wide range of workdays and outings. The easy clean, seamless PEVA liner adds everyday convenience without pushing into oversized tactical territory. Lifewit is simpler and Joingo is stronger for long shifts, so different priorities can absolutely point you elsewhere. Which insulated lunchbox fits your routine best? Drop your pick in the comments and tell us what matters most to you: capacity, insulation, or portability. If this cool product comparison helped narrow it down, like the video and subscribe for more practical product matchups. Purchase links for all 5 options are waiting in the description.